We are from Jal Bath Fittings, Jupiter Aqualines Limited, and we are into CP fittings and sanitary ware. Then again, we have different kind of ranges, right? Starting from affordable housing to luxury housing also. So here we are having different kind of CP fittings we have displayed over here. One of the main theme here is that we have been awarded this award, Indian Design Mark Award, for our pioneer product, that is a foot operated valve. Now this foot operated valve was actually a hospital fitting faucet which was being developed for hospitals where doctor, when he comes out of operation theater, his hands full of all the material, and at that time he has to clean his hands. So he will be pressing this thing and it will be a hands-free faucet. But now in Corona times, this innovative product has been very handy for maintaining the hand hygiene of this thing, because in Corona, when in initial state there was no treatment for it and only hand hygiene was the main theme. So this product has played a very important role in that. Many of the departments, many of the government bodies has accepted this technology, and in fact Indian Railways has converted their COVID-free laboratories with this kind of technology, and they have appreciated this product. And I want to also share one thing, that Tata Steel in Angul, Odisha, they have used this technology in their entire plant. They have converted all their faucets into hands-free, this thing. So we have three kind of faucet. One is very economical range, for which we have been awarded with the innovative design by Design India. Second one has already been used in Indian Railways from last 8 years, and this product, specifically this product has been used for their first class coaches. Then this is again a patent product approved by ICMR laboratories and it has been given the patent to Jal Bath Fittings. So there are luxury fittings also. We are having different kind of diverters in this range, and you can see the mix of economy as well as luxury. You have both Jal Bath Fittings, and we are basically Mohali based company and having all India presence, and almost 35 government department approvals are with Jal Bath Fittings, like CPWD, MES, then we have NBCC, LIC Housing, UP Nirman Nigam, then Rajasthan Housing Board, Chandigarh Housing Board, Indian Railways. This product has been accepted for their innovative technology as well as their state-of-art product. Why state-of-art product? Because when we are using pure brass rods for making our cartridges, that is the main differentiation, where we are at a very advantageous level when we are in a southern market, because in southern markets there are seashore areas, and in seashore areas salty water and fluoride contents are very hard. So there is a problem of corrosion in the spindles or inside of the part. There Jal has been accepted as a main brand all across Karnataka region. So it again puts in Jal in a very comfortable position, and as well as we are exporting this product to almost 4 countries: Bhutan, Sri Lanka, then Nepal and UAE. So it's a pan-India company with a international presence also.